Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video from my addicted blogging channel. So last week an update came to our Amazfit GTS 2 Mini which has changed a lot of things in this smartwatch. So in this video we will check which are the issues still there and which are the issues that are fixed in this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini after the latest update. So this will be a sick video guys as always, and if you are taken to sales, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing more videos like this. So let's start. So around 2 months before, I have posted one video where I have discussed about the major issues of Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and after that a lot has been changed. A lot of updates came in this watch and it has really fixed some of the main issues of the watch. So I will be discussing about the issues which are fixed first and then the issues which are not fixed till now, and also I will discuss about the steps which can fix the issues if your watch is having these issues right now. So first is the no response issue. So in that video I have discussed that there was a no response issue in this watch where it will be getting unresponsive suddenly, and if you are pressing this crown also it will not work or nothing will show in the watch. So with the latest update much of that issue has been fixed. So now the frequency of this watch getting unresponsive is very low, and I have seen even if it gets unresponsive for 1 or 2 seconds it comes right back to life, and if you are touching the crown it will be working after 1 or 2 seconds. So yes, it goes unresponsive but that very rarely, and even if it gets unresponsive it will be for 1 second or 2 seconds. So that issue has been fixed quite a bit, and I think in the next updates this type of hiccups will also be fixed by Amazfit for this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So the second issue which was there is the sleep monitoring issue, where I used to keep the watch and it automatically records sleep even though I was not sleeping wearing the watch. So that issue has been fixed. Now there is no sleep data recorded when you will be resting this watch on the table or anywhere. I have seen that this issue has been fixed with the latest update. The third issue was there with the stress management. I was discussing that it was not able to take the measurement of stress even though I was wearing the watch properly and tightly in my hand. So with the stress management you can see that honestly it is a hit or miss. Sometimes it does not recognize the stress, but the most important thing while measuring stress is you have to remain very still, then only it will measure the stress. I think if you wear the watch correctly and if you are getting still enough, stress measurement will be done by this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini perfectly. So there is no issue with the stress management right now. So the fourth issue was there with the battery life of this watch. So the battery was getting drained automatically when I was keeping this watch on a table or resting this watch. That issue is not happening right now. As I am using this watch after the update, I have not faced such issues where the battery has been drained to zero. But before this update the issue was there. I used to get the watch with a zero battery when I was about to wear the watch and go out somewhere. So that issue has been fixed right now. The battery issue is not there. So if anyone right now are facing those issues, then I will recommend you to download the Zepp app, connect this watch with the Zepp app, go to profile, go to the connected watch, and make sure you scroll down and click on system update and updated the watch to the latest version. The latest version of the update is 1.0.2.47. Make sure your watch is updated to this latest version, and also the Zepp app needs to be updated. So make sure you go to Play Store and update the Zepp app to the latest version also. So that will fix most of the issues which were there. Right now we are also facing some of the issues which are not fixed with this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So the first problem which I am facing right now with this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is silencing and rejecting the calls. So whenever I will be receiving a call, I am having issues silencing and rejecting the call because sometimes there will be a hiccup or there will be some delay in silencing and rejecting the calls, which is really noticeable, but it is not happening every time, it is happening sometimes. So this issue I hope will be fixed with the next update from Amazfit. Another small issue which I am facing is if you are using the Zepp app to connect Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and once it is connected, if you are using any other app in between, like if you are using Chrome browser or any other app, suddenly the Zepp app will be activated and it will come right in front of the screen and getting the data synchronized with this watch. So maybe this is a problem with the Zepp app, I'm not sure. So maybe Amazfit needs to fix this in the next update. So apart from this type of issues, I am not getting any other issues right now. Some here and there hiccups and some small issues are there with this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So I think those will be fixed with the latest updates. I will definitely let you know once the issues are fixed in the near future. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.